right, people. We're at the
Wild Animal Safari.
Wild Animal Safari. These are the vehicles they're giving us to go on the safari. No windows, just bars.
Just bars. Just bars.
And they already told they would stick their head through there just to get the food. That my wife wanted to get food to feed them. And she's scary, but this is the truck that they're giving us. This one actually has lights in it. Look, I don't know what made this dent in the hood. And they talking about we can only go 5 miles per hour.
I'm not sure if I want to find out what made the dent in this.
I told them I could have bought my truck if this was they were giving us to drive.
Oh my God, look. Look at the giraffe, look. Oh, Joaquin, I don't know if I'm ready. Oh my God.
And they say the animals want to be fed. I tell you what, if the animals won't get out the way or something happen, call a number. I got a number for them to call.
And look at the sign that says enter park at your own risk. Are you serious?
No, this is what you want to come, baby. You want to see the wild animals.
Okay, come on.
You want and then hold your towel up, baby. Hold your towel up because this might happen to her. She got slobbered. I told her I thought she didn't have to come to the wild kingdom
to get slobbered on. Come on here.
And she had to pay for that towel.
Come on.
But this is our vehicle.
Yep.
This is our ride.
Look at the ignition. Look at the ignition, baby.
Ooh. Oh, we ain't gonna be here long because it smells like. Hey, we've been having some fun. All right, we're gonna come back to you all later on. We're gonna get shot of some of the animals, and then we're gonna take the walk trail also. But we're about to have fun, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful park out here. All jokes aside. All right, so babe, you ready?
I'm ready. Come on.
There was a senior citizen bus that just went by us, and they wouldn't let us get on it. I told them we could just ride with them in case anything happened. You know, at least I knew I'd be one of the fastest ones. All right. We out.
Ooh. There's Joaquin!
Pitiful.
Oh, and look at him. He just
Baby, feed the giraffe, Stacey. Jesus. Uncle Chris, do you see this? Do you see this?
He wants some more. Oh gosh, baby, he wants some more.
Come on, baby. There we go.
Joaquin.
That's a pretty camp.
Boy, you.
I'm what?
Oh my
I
gosh.
want the giraffe to come back. And they stand right at the gate.
No, I'm good. I don't
right
need
at the gate just waiting.
Okay, so let me try.
Curly hair.
You want me?
Look at his curly hair.
Oh, he does. Look at his hair.
Got some moose up there. You get it? Some moose up there?
Look. He's smelling.
He smell you, baby.
Oh,
Lord. Hey, this is going to be one of the best events. It smells like piss. Animal piss.
I mean, it stinks. Oh my gosh.
My clothes on.
Okay, you want me
Look, you go feed something. You
don't
want this.
Oh, okay.